everyone, I'm Miss Olivia and this is Izzy, and we are going to be showing you today some tips, tools, and tricks how to do your hair and makeup. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a center part piggy buns. You will need a bun holder and a hairnet, which you can purchase both of them at the front desk. So first you're going to start off with the center part. You're going to want to start it from the front all the way down to the bottom of the neck. So I'm going to take Izzy's hair and part it all the way down. Separate it. It might take a couple of tries to do this too, to get it perfectly in one straight line. Perfect. And then to start, I always just put this side to get it out of the way in like a low messy pony. Then I'm going to take all of her hair. I'm going to start just combing from the front. Next, you're going to take your bun maker, which you can get at the front desk, and you're going to put it around and pull your ponytail through. Then I'm going to have you look down for me, Izzy. You're going to push that bun holder all the way down to the ponytail, and you're going to spread the hair around the bun maker. Just like that. Then you're going to take a clear hair tie and put that right over top of the bun. Then you're going to split this into two sections. And take a bobby pin. I'm securing hers over here because she has a little bit of long layers, just so I get all of the hair in one, and then you can go back in and pin this separately. Then you're just going to go in with your bobby pins, kind of comb it down, go right over. Next, we're just going to put our hairnet around. Go as many times and as tight as you can. The last wrap around, and go ahead and bring your hairnet. Take a bobby pin, thank you, and connect it. And put it in. Next, we're going to use hairspray, and I like to use a toothbrush. The stiffer the bristles are, the better. You're just going to go ahead and spray. And then comb all of those wispies